In this video we can talk about top 5 Moonbeam alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives channel. If you are here to find the best alternative to Moonbeam, a powerful content creation and writing platform, then you have made the right decision. The top 5 alternatives to Moonbeam, including Writersonic, Jasper, Copy AI, Rytr, and ProWriterAid to help enhance your writing skills quite smoothly. Let's start with Writersonic. Writersonic is an AI powered that offers a wide range of writing tools to assist you in creating high-quality content effortlessly. It offers great features like story generator, article summarizer, text expander, and Surfer SEO integration. From blog post generation to copywriting assistance, Writersonic can be your go-to tool for various writing tasks. One of the standout features of Writersonic is its advanced algorithms, with which it can generate content that matches your desired tone, style, and word count. Next up, we have Jasper AI. Jasper is an innovative AI writing platform whose advanced language model can understand context and generate coherent and natural-sounding text. It offers features like Chrome extension, SEO-optimized content, brand voice and memory, and real-time updates. Whether you need assistance with blog posts, social media content, or even writing code snippets, Jasper has got you covered. One of the standout features of Jasper is that it lets you experiment with different writing styles and customize the output according to your specific requirements. Moving on to Copy AI. Copy AI is a powerful copywriting tool designed to help you create compelling and persuasive content. It offers features like AI writing templates, AI writing generators, tone checker, and sentence formatting. Whether you're crafting sales copies, marketing emails, or engaging social media posts, Copy AI offers a range of templates tailored for different purposes. And one of the standout features of Copy AI is its ability to generate persuasive copy once you give your product or service details. Our fourth alternative is Rytr. Rytr is an AI writing tool that aims to simplify the content creation process and offers various writing modes to cater to different needs. It offers features like SEO analyzer, text editing, and video channel descriptions. It's an excellent tool for freelancers, marketers, and entrepreneurs who want to streamline their writing tasks and produce high-quality content efficiently. And one of the standout features of Rytr is its ability to instantly generate texts based on your prompts or outlines. Last but not least, we have ProWriterAid. ProWriterAid is a comprehensive writing enhancement tool that helps you polish your writing skills and produce error-free content. It offers features like data visualization, contextual guidance, grammar check, and plagiarism detection. Whether you're a professional writer or a student who wants to improve your writing, ProWriterAid can be an invaluable tool. One of its standout features is its ability to provide a detailed analysis of your writing and help you refine your style. Compared to Moonbeam, Writersonic offers a similar AI-powered writing experience but provides a range of writing tools and features to assist you in creating high-quality content effortlessly. Jasper, on the other hand, offers a wide range of writing styles and tones that can give a fresh perspective to your content. Then comes Copy AI that provides additional templates for your copywriting needs and assists you in creating persuasive content. While both Rytr and Moonbeam share the goal of assisting you in content creation, the underlying AI models and collaborative capabilities of Rytr may offer a unique writing experience compared to Moonbeam. Finally, there's ProWriterAid that offers comprehensive analysis of grammar, style, and readability, providing suggestions for improvement in your overall content. If you're looking for an AI-powered content generation tool that offers a wide range of writing styles and tones, we recommend Rytr as the best alternative to Writersonic. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights to help you choose the right AI writing tool for your content creation needs. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.